Hello, my name is Gustav Kinas, and I'm the product manager here at Kinas Medical Technologies. And today I want to show you how to fill your Duolith here with water. We always want to use deionized water preferably, or distilled water. Every 6 months you will want to drain and refill it, or if you're just setting it up new for the first time, the procedures are the same. If the unit is off, turn it on, and then on the tablet here you'll see a prompt that says to connect a full water bag. So to fill your Duolith with water, the items that we'll need is the distilled water or deionized water and your water bag empty. And so step one is to take the distilled water and fill it into the water bag to the label. So now that you have your water bag here filled, you want to try to get as much air out of the hose here as possible. The end of this connector here is a little nozzle. So if you go to your sink or a plant, you can either press the little nozzle in here, or you can just press it into the sink here as well and let gravity do all the work and get as much of the air out of this hose as possible. Air in the bag up here is fine. You just don't want any in the hose down here. If you don't have an IV pole, you can also just hold it. You want to make sure that you're holding it above the system. So the connector is right here, and should it not pop in, press the little metal tab down until it clicks, and then the nozzle should click right in there. So just connect the nozzle, make sure that it's connected. So on the tablet, just press OK. And make sure that the handpiece is in the holder here as well. And the system will take as much water as it needs. So here in the bottom left right here, you'll see filling. So we're at 33% right now, and it's telling me to disconnect the water bag. So to disconnect the water bag, it's very simple. Just press the metal tab down. So now that we disconnect the water bag, just press OK. The system will continue filling until it's done. So we're at 98% bleeding here. So, and as you can see, finally the system is ready to use. The whole process took about 15 minutes or so. The system is now ready to operate. And the final step to do is just get all the bubbles here out of the handpiece. You just want to hold it at the same angle that it's sitting in there. Press the start button, clap your hands, all of the air bubbles here will disappear. Final step that you want to do too is that you want to take the water bag here, and you do want to empty all of the water, unused water here into the sink. Take the cap off, drain it, and press the nozzle as well, and then get all the water into the bag so you can drain it. I like leaving the cap off so that it completely dries. Over time, the bag, if you keep the water in there, you'll have algae growing in there, and we definitely don't want that to get into the system. As well as the bag might yellow a little bit over time. You can put your finger in there and feel if there's any residue. If there's residue, definitely clean it out or consider getting a new water bag from us. Again, my name is Gustav. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Kinas Medical. We're always here to assist you as well.